So welcome back guys. So in the previous videos you must have seen how to book a domain name and a hosting. So out here I would be first explaining you how to install a cPanel or how to go to your cPanel, and once you are into your cPanel then how to install your WordPress from a cPanel. When you must have purchased hosting from HostGator or any other platform, you might have received an email something like this where you can find your cPanel credentials. You just simply need to log into your cPanel. Like in order to log into your cPanel, just simply need to go to your domain name dot your domain extension. After that forward slash cpanel. You just simply need to write your cPanel, and you'd be getting an interface something like this. Now out here, the passwords and the username that you have received would be appearing. I'll just simply copy my username and my password and log in.